In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in ClickUp so you can visually plan your tasks and ideas. Stay until the end to get the most out of your mind maps. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're connected to the internet for smooth access. Click your workspace where you want to create a mind map. This will help keep things organized in the right place. Click the plus button at the top so you can add a new view to your workspace. This lets you choose different ways to see your tasks. Find the mind map option. Once you see it, click it to start setting up your mind map. This is where the visual planning happens. Now you can customize the view and choose a structure. Either start with a blank map or base it on your existing tasks. Pick what suits your workflow. For this video, I will choose Task, and it will automatically generate a mind map according to the tasks already in the workspace. This saves you time. And that's how to create a mind map in ClickUp. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!